Hi guys, welcome back to Light Finance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Well, as you can hear, my voice is not that great. I'm sick a little bit, but anyway, I have to be here with you. We are going to make the FX market update ahead of the next week open. It's very important because we are going to get towards the end of the month trading. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so when it comes to the euro dollar, we are talking about this daily chart here, and we are within the very narrow range. Well, to the upside, as you can see here, we have the line. We put the line here some times ago, and we are talking about the levels close to 108.40. Now, what is important here is the swing high, and well, the things we've seen some times ago. So we hit that high, all right. We've seen the upper shadow and we are rejecting. So very important. To the downside, we are talking about this latest move to the upside, 50% of that, and we are talking about the levels close to 107.70. So even on a daily chart, we are within the 100 pips, very narrow range. Let's have a look what we have lower. Let's have a look what we have on a intraday chart. Okay, from intraday perspective, we are ideally retesting right now what we already seen 3 days or 4 days ago, the swing high, and we are rejecting this level over here, and we are trying to move lower. Now, what is important is look at this swing low up, swing low up. Okay, so double swing to the upside with the new high. Now, with the rejection, we already took out the first support when it comes to the swing low, so we are still above 108, and here this level is going to work as a support. So as of now, if you are a seller, you are trying to take the advantage of these levels we are rejecting right now, but if you are a buyer, you are trying to take the advantage of the 108. So very narrow range right now, and to be honest with you, I would wait for a little bit more evidence that we are going to try to make the new direction. As of now, range, sell high, buy the low, and that's how the things looks like. Now let's have a look what we have when it comes to the pound dollar, and here we go. Well, if you do remember, previously we were talking about this range going on. Then we've seen the downside break over here, and as of now, as you can see, the green line, we are retesting 50% of that range. So yesterday we've seen the rejection, big upper shadow, and we are trying to retest this level right here, right now. So I would be focusing, especially based on 1-to-1 level over here, to looking for the selling opportunity, targeting the levels much lower from what we've seen already this week. In that case, we are talking about the 24.40 and maybe even 23.80 and 50. So that's what I'm looking for based on this higher time frame. Let's switch to the lower time frame, to the intraday chart. And finally, that's the intraday dollar yen possible price action scenario. So, well, finally we hit the levels we were discussing some time ago. We've seen a little bit of the pullback. Well, the pullback hit the demand zone over here, so this one been tested. As of now, when it comes to the dollar yen, as long as we are below this upper level, I'm looking for the selling opportunity over here. Let me show you what I'm talking about over here. So in that case, very early next week test of that level, it might be sell-off opportunity, and I'm talking about the levels first close to this level, in that case 150.15, 150 level, and the second one is going to be the level close to over here. Yeah, there you go, somewhere close to 149.50. So we are moving within the range, and as of now trying to sell the rallies. In case we are going to break higher, you are going to take 50% of that range, and you are looking for buying opportunity. With that being said, guys, wish you great next trading session. As usual, please do your own research before risking real money. See you around, take care, and goodbye.